Hello, we're CapitalBox, Team 14575, and we're here today to review the new REV Robotics Driver Hub. I'm Kaushik.
And I'm Ob. The Driver Hub is a new product released by REV Robotics and is designed to replace the driver-side Android phone by directly connecting to the REV Control Hub. It is competition legal for the 2021 to 2022 season and able to connect to controllers and other accessories through built-in USB ports.
Inside, there's first the REV Robotics Driver Hub. Additionally, there's the 5040 mAh battery, as well as the wall adapter. And a USB-C charger for the lithium-ion battery. After unboxing, we went through the setup of the Driver Hub. REV has video tutorials of how to set up and connect the Driver Hub to the Control Hub on their website. Our setup process went pretty well, but we had an issue with screwing in the battery cover. The screw for the battery cover is an M3 hex, not a Phillips or cap screw. We didn't have the necessary tools to tighten it, so we ended up using a set of needle nose pliers. Although we were able to do it in the end, we struggled a bit due to the cover blocking screw axis from the side.
After the setup, we were able to use it as a normal Android phone and directly control the robot. Since USB ports are inbuilt, we didn't have to worry about conversion and extension cables, and were able to directly plug in our controllers. The telemetry data is a lot easier to read on the larger 800 by 600 LCD display. We strongly recommend that teams use telemetry data in their programs to help debug and get information from their code. Overall, we like the hub and will use it for the oncoming FTC season.